Hi everybody, here's Mark. He's going to show us how to remove and replace the camera module in a Campbell. Here we go. First of all, you need to pull off the front port, and then you use this, a long Allen key like this, and you insert it under the camera to locate in the Allen key that locks the slide. Once you've loosened the Allen key, you can just pull the camera straight out through the front. And on the back here, there's just some connectors. We'll just pop those off. There they are. And there's the module. And to replace it is just the reverse, which we will do. Pop the connectors onto there. They're all different sizes. They will only fit in the right holes. Then slide the camera. You have to line it up. There's a dovetail slide at the bottom. It's sometimes a little bit fiddly. Make sure you don't trap any wires. So the camera's sliding in here, and you have to position it about 3 mil back from the front edge, and that allows the front glass space to go on. Just tighten up the Allen key like that, and pop the front port back on. And that's it, done.